And this is the latest development in the NEET paper leak case where CBI has detained Surbhi Kumari, a first-year student at RIMS from Ramgarh. This happened on late Thursday night. This is in connection with paper leak as the team reached the girls' hostel at RIMS and took her into custody for interrogation. Surbhi admitted to joining a solver gang, and the CBI is investigating further to uncover more links from Ranchi. This action follows the arrest of two individuals from Jharkhand who have been taken to Patna for further questioning. Let's listen into the reaction that is coming from Rajiv Ranjan, who is the PRO of RIMS. He has given further details with regards to the detention.
ये जो छात्रा है वो अभी प्रथम वर्ष की छात्रा है, 2023 बैच की छात्रा है और उसको प्रारंभिक पूछताछ के लिए सीबीआई द्वारा जो है पहले किया गया था, पूछताछ के लिए अप्रोच किया गया था। उसके पश्चात फिर से जो है जो उनको लगा कि इसको और आगे की तरफ जो इंट्रोगेशन है उसके लिए और पूछताछ की आवश्यकता है, इसलिए उनको कस्टडी में लिया गया। जो उनके तरफ से जो प्रोटोकॉल है उसके हिसाब से लेटर्स दिए गए थे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को कि वो पूछताछ करना चाहते हैं और साथ में कस्टडी में लेने से पहले उनके जो लीगल गार्जियन माता पिता हैं उनको बताया गया था।
Prakash joining us on the broadcast. Prakash, very good morning to you. While the girl has admitted to be a part of the Solvers gang, do give us further details of whether RIMS were aware of what was happening. Also, with regards to her questioning, what do we know so far?
Well, the concerned first-year student of MBBS in RIMS has been picked up by the CBI, and this was done after the tip-off from the four doctors who were arrested from Patna AIIMS yesterday. And these four doctors were arrested on the tip-off from Rocky, who was on the run. And CBI is gathering corroborative evidences after one arrest after another. And they all the links are being established after all these arrests. Now, this MBBS student of the first year who's been detained so far, she's not been arrested, and apparently she is a resident of Ramgarh in Jharkhand state, and she's apparently being brought back to Patna for face-to-face confrontation with the people who have been arrested already, specifically the four doctors from Patna AIIMS, and thereafter the informations and evidences will be clubbed together into pieces to ascertain the facts pertaining to the NEET paper leak. Remember, Patna and Jharkhand being the epicenter, the entire episode of the NEET paper leak started from Hazaribagh district in Jharkhand, from Oasis school, and where the question paper had first arrived, and thereafter those series booklet numbers had reached in Patna through the syndicate that was operational, who were arrested by the Patna police, and they were 13 in numbers. And based on that arrest, the CBI is conducting further raids, and arrests are being made, and the interrogation and the investigation is being done. Back to you.
All right, Prakash, many thanks for getting us those details. Of course, we keep coming back to you to get more updates on this story. Meanwhile, we move on to more raw footage that is coming in from Chile this time.